Hello and welcome. Today I will make apricots pie. And to do that I need a pie form, I need a puff pastry, and then at the bottom I have crushed hazelnuts. On top of that I have halves of apricots, and then I have mixed 2 eggs with 2 spoonfuls of sugar. I've mixed that for about 4 or 5 minutes to make it nice and creamy. And I will now mix about 1 deciliter of milk and 1 deciliter of cream. And I'll mix that together. Like that, and then I'll add it on top of my pie. Okay, and then I will cook it in the oven. So I have already heated the oven here, and I've heated the oven to 220 degrees Celsius. So I'll put my apricot pie in the oven, in the middle of the oven, and I will cook the apricot pie for about 30 minutes. Okay, so 30 minutes, and voila.